Mr. Mojo here, and I'm going to take you through doing a glucose and ketone test with your Keto-Mojo meter. So first of all, wash your hands, get them all nice and warm so you've got good vascularity there. I'm going to use a alcohol swab as I'm here doing the demonstration. So clean the finger up really nicely. That's that done. And then I like to go and do my lancet device. Why am I doing it in this order? Because I want that alcohol to have dried completely off my finger before I test. Place the lancet in like that, twist off the top, place the top back on like so. Let's get that in there, there we are. Set it to the depth that you want, that is good for you. I'm kind of like in the middle there. Pull it back so it's ready to fire and you'll see the orange button and we're good. Then I'm going to go on into the vial, I'm going to grab our glucose strip, I'm going to put that into the meter first. I'm going to prepare my ketone strip for the next one, get that ready. All right, it'll show CH for checking on the meter, and when the icon is flashing, we are ready to test. So quite simply, go like that, in we go. The little bit of bead will come on up. I wipe away the first drop because that has a little bit of interstitial glucose in there, and I come on in for the second. It's just a gentle pressure that's needed that's on that side, and you will find I get a bead about half the size of a matchstick head. Come on in, a good angle of attack right there, so it'll just sip it up. Don't put the blood on the top, just let it sip on up the channel, like so. And in 5 seconds, I'm going to have my glucose reading, 89, really great. I can use the ejection button of the side to put that into an appropriate container. Then I go and place in my ketone strip, like so. It'll show CH for checking. When the blood droplet icon flashes, it's ready to go. And once again, I come in with a good angle of attack there and I just sip off the top into the channel like so. And in 10 seconds, I will have my ketone measurement. Let's see how we're doing. 2.9, in the zone. Once we finish the test, we can eject out the lancet using the ejector like that. And then what we can do is we can safe the lancet by pushing it in to the top like so, and then you can dispose it in an appropriate shots container.